Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice black color, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter ECOBOOST engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the STX Black Appearance Package. Taking a look back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera, that nice blacked out Ford logo. We do get mud flaps on the rear, a nice gripped running board, blind spot detection, mud flaps on the front, as well as we do get a nice hood deflector, two tow hooks, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior with some lime green accents, plenty of door space in the back, cup holders, 12-volt, as well as 2 USB-Cs. And of course, you can lift up the seats if you need additional space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do get manual seats. The same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space, parking brake, and lights on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 29.3 kilometers. We do have a vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control just right there. Looking at your screen here, you do have your main menu, which you do have My View, Trip and Fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Over here you got quite a bit of storage, with storage underneath, 2 cup holders, USB and USB-C, leather up center console with tons of more storage. You have your 4-wheel drive modes, and rear locking differential. You have your trailer brake. Your climate controls are just right there. 12-volt, and we got 2 USB-Cs. You got storage above with the nice F-150 logo, storage below, storage right there. We have our auto stop, auto start, backup camera, hazards, and traction. And looking at our main screen here, you do get your audio, which does have Sirius XM capabilities. You have your phone, navigation, your fave apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, all that fun stuff. Apps in general, are there any apps you have downloaded, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatible. Your settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KF01980, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.